This is a review of Chapter 1. Number 1, please remember that the most important part of this chapter is what I am highlighting right now on your screen, which is assets equal liabilities plus owner's equity. 1 work together, which is what you can see. We went through the equation, which you had to find one part. So for example, your assets were the question and your liabilities and owner's equity were given to you. So 3,000 and 8,000 equal 11,000. 10,000 was given to you, your liabilities were not, and your owner's equity was 6,000, which you got 4,000. And then the last one, you had to find your owner's equity, which was $28,000. Then we moved on to 1-2 work together, where we bought supplies on account in number 1. So supplies, your asset went up and your liabilities also went up. The second transaction, we received cash from owner as an investment. Our cash, which is an asset, went up, and our capital, which is owner's equity, went up. In the third transaction, our cash, which is an asset, went down because we bought insurance, and insurance, which is an asset, went up. And the last one was paid cash on account. Our account under liabilities went down, as did our cash. The last thing that we did in Chapter 1 was we had 5 transactions, and I used $100 in here. You did not have to use $100. It's entirely up to you. Number 1, received cash from sales. Our cash increased $100, and our owner's equity, which is where our sales account is, also increased. Again, you could use pluses in here as well. Number 2, sold services on account to Bowman Company. Bowman Company, which is an asset, went up, and as did our owner's equity, which is the sales account. Number 3, paid cash for telephone bill, minus cash and minus owner's equity. That's an expense. Number 4, paid cash on account from Bowman Company. So what we're doing here is, or received cash on account from Bowman Company. What happened here was they are paying us the cash that they owed us. So the accounts receivable Bowman Company went down and our cash went up. And the last one, number 5, was paid cash to owner for personal use. That is similar to an expense. Our cash goes down, as does owner's equity. And that is Chapter 1.